On this theme of absurdity and ridiculousness, there's an object here that appeared in the. Not many people seem to have noticed this. People should go watch your excellent conversation in the Oslo Freedom Forum. Behind you, I'm no archaeologist, but I believe this is how should I put it? A walrus penis bone. And it was behind you. You told me that you that you brought it with you to France and back to Dubai. I assume it brings you luck of some sort. Why did you bring it with you everywhere? Is it kind of like in America they have a wishbone? Is it just a large wishbone? Because a wishbone brings you luck. And I should also point out that just like with Telegram with the art, there's tiny little walruses. And thanks to you, I had to also find out that a lot of mammals have a bone inside their penis. And the evolutionary advantage, I guess, of having a bone is quite obvious. It actually raises the question of why humans don't have an actual bone inside their penis. A lot of questions there.
That's a very interesting subject. The reason I have this is because the tribe that is almost gone extinct in Siberia and Mongolia, called the Venki, passed me this gift from them. Normally, they would craft something like this only for their most respected leaders. It is supposed to be a token of their appreciation for bravery, courage, leadership. Ironically, it also translates in a very specific way into the Russian language. In Russian, walrus's penis means something a bit funny, which is often used to describe nothing. So, for example, if you're being requested by, say, a certain government or a certain business partner to provide something that you're not willing to provide, you can just politely have this penis bone in the background while you're doing the video call and hope that they would,
through osmosis, figure out the deep message.
Yeah.
It is an indirect rebellion. By the way, in the former Soviet Union, there was, and in a lot of places throughout history, some of the rebellion had to take this kind of symbolic, metaphoric form through poetry, through children's stories. It's the beauty of human language and art that we're able to do that. Say F you to whatever forces that try to overpower us. We say F you through poetry, through art, and sometimes through a rather large walrus penis bone. Carried by what appears to be either a happy sumo wrestler or a cat of some sort.
They asked a lot of questions about this walrus's penis bone in the airport. Both here in the UAE and in France, they are always very interested in this thing.